Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Home Depot. Also, remember that we have a giveaway going on right now, so make sure you watch the entire video to see how you can participate. But let's dive in. Alright guys, so we're going to get started with some of these Ryobi storage containers. You can see some of these are different options right there, but they're all on some sales. You can see a lot of these have been dropped down just a few bucks, but if you're in the Ryobi brand, these are some great things that you can grab just to kind of store your stuff, especially if you're going to be mobile, going around job site to job site, or if you just want to have some things organized in your shop. You can see a lot of these Ryobi prices have been dropped right here. Even this wet dry vac has been dropped about 20 bucks, so a great pickup. But you can also see some other storage options right here for rigid, drop down a few bucks right there to $19. And then even the garage option right here, if you want to grab some of these for just organizing things around the house, you can see these have dropped a couple bucks. We've seen these available in a few different stores. Then we get into some Ryobi tools. You can see the 2 battery pack has been picked over right here. Then we have a couple other tool options as well. We see a few more tool options for sale. You can see some of these drills and the lights that are on sale at 60 bucks. Pretty good price for those. Then we see a few other ones at 89, and then even some of the bigger ones here at 99. Then we also have the combo kit on sale for 160. So some solid deals right there for Ryobi. Then I even saw this other set of batteries on sale. So if you need to grab some of those, you can for Ryobi. Then we see a couple more combo kits. If you need to grab one of those combo kits, that's a pretty good price, especially to kind of get you started with the DIY option. Then we have a few other spade bits, and then even some reciprocating saw blades right here. Then a few other general purpose blades. If you need to grab some of those, save a few bucks on these. And you see a few different ones right here with some saw blades. Then into a few more Ryobi items. We also see the homeowner's toolkit down to 37 bucks. That is a great price, especially if you're going to need one for your house or as a gift. Then we even see some wrenches here for Husky option. We also saw a lot of their storage systems as well for Husky. This one was down about 20 bucks if you want that. Kind of the rolling rack, pretty good price right there. Then we even have the larger option right here for $448. I think that's a really good price, especially if you're needing some type of option for a lot of your tools. We also have the Milwaukee Pack Out down about 20 bucks. So that's a great pickup. Milwaukee, great brands, definitely going to do a good job. Then we even had the organizer as well that has been picked over at my store. Then we even have this option right here. I do believe this one is the cooler, so you can check that out. And then we even have some of the storage bins on sale for Husky. I think they're trying to get some of these moved out and ready for new options coming in. But here are some DeWalt options for storage and your tools. You can check some of these out. Pretty good prices on these. Then again, here's another breakdown of all the Milwaukee ones. So some of the ones we didn't even see. You can see a lot of different options. A lot of these are on sale right now, trying to push some of these deals. Then we also saw some of these right here. These are pretty good sets if you need. Again, we saw some of these in store, but I just want to show you guys all the options that we might have so you can check them out. And then even the Husky options right here. So a lot of different ones, different things you might need. You can definitely grab this, save you a little bit of money, and also get some of your area organized and your tools or any kind of thing like that. Then we even have option right here for a 3-in-1 air cooler. So I know it's wrapping up the summer in some places, but it's a great pickup. We even have the DeWalt option right there. Pretty good price for that one, so you can definitely pick that up. We also see the miter saw on sale right here, about 100 bucks off. Then also the jump starter as well for $100. Always recommend you keeping one of those on hand. Here are a few other DeWalt items. You can check out some of these flex bolts. Again, pretty good prices on these. Down a few bucks. You can save some money and then also have some great setups. Then Rigid also has some of their options. You got the starter kit and also the fan. And then we also see the job site fan here with DeWalt for 100 bucks. Then we got a few different tools right here for DeWalt. Just the level and even the stapler and even the box cutter there. Then you have buy one of these tools. You can see one of these options right here if you need one of these tools. These are some great options right here. But if you buy one of these, then you also get this battery for free. So it's a great time to pick up one of these options. Then also we have the miter saw for Milwaukee on sale there. And then here are a few other breakdowns for DeWalt. So if you need to save a little bit of money and get some solid deals and some solid working options, these are some great ones you can check out right here. Then we even have some more Diablo options, different blades, and even sand discs, so you can save a little bit of money. Diablo is a great brand for these items. And then here again is another option for different discs as well. And we also have the circular saw here for Milwaukee, 129, solid pickup there. Ryobi Days, these was over in the corner. I guess these are still available and still pretty good price right here. So with the purchase of one of these at $199, the starter kit, then you get those as well. So pretty good option right here. And then you can see more new lower price savings. So different things, drill bits, and also the combo kit. They also had this roofing nailer, so you can check that out on sale. Pretty good prices right here for the Rigid brand, but definitely check one of those in case you need them. And then one of their biggest sales they have right here is a lot of this outdoor furniture. You can see this $100 off for this setup. We saw the same thing going on at Lowe's right now, but a lot of these were on some great sales. So if you need some outdoor furniture or just to kind of spice your outdoor area up, you can see a lot of these. Some of these half price. I mean, some great deals on these. Some little outdoor gazebos, some seating, tables, all kind of stuff like that. Here's another nice table, $90, really good price on that. And then even a few more outdoor side tables or just kind of like bistro type tables. You can check some of these out. Even have some of these basic white chairs. So if you want to have some of these for your house or maybe even any type of rental or any kind of thing like that, just to make it look a little nicer, this is a great option. Then even some of this wicker options right here, these are really nice. And again, with the cushions marked down, pretty good prices on a lot of these. Again, it's always great just to have some outdoor seating or maybe on your porch or your front porch, back porch, whatever that might be. Then here's a couple other options as well, different types of wicker, and then even the little tables in between, I think. Make it look really nice. I think these are definitely some great pickups. And then, like I also have mentioned, you see some of these pillows on sale. Like I mentioned, around this time is when Lowe's and Home Depot are selling a lot of these cushions and pillows. So if you need to grab some cushions and reset the ones you already have, this is a great time to pick some of these up. Then here are just a few more options, a few more sales they have. Some great little tables and chairs. So if you need some, again, some of these options, you can definitely do that. A lot of these were being picked over while I was there, so you definitely want to check some of these out. Then we also have a little bit of the home decor for sale as well. We have some chairs. Grab some of these chairs for any type of event or any type of outing. Definitely do those. You can see a few different other tables and other options like that. So again, some great ones right here. Pretty good set right there for $39. Definitely worth checking out. Then they even have a few of these other options. Got some Adirondack chairs on sale. And then again, just more of their outdoor stuff. So if you need anything outdoor, I definitely think this is a great time. Go check out, see what they got, see what you might be interested in. Even some of these swings. We got one of these at our house. We really love it. Kids love it as well. And then even some rocking chairs on sale. And then, like I mentioned, here are some of their cushions. This is a great time if your cushions are worn out or starting to wear out. You can grab some of these, and some of these are even further discounted than it shows right there in the yellow. So check some of these out, see what you might need. Also, let me know in the comments if you have grabbed any of these discounted items right now at your local Home Depot. Then we have a few more tools on sale for the Husky options. We have, the square right here, and even the hex key set, some accessories for some ratchets. We even have tape measures, and then even this option right here. I love one of those little screwdriver sets, and then a few other hand tools and even some ratchets. Then outside we do have this item on sale. It says it's down from $10.99, but I've seen it at $8.99 as well, but it's always a great thing to check out. Then we have some of the other deals in the back. We see this is a pretty good option right here if you need some type of weed eater. It's a great one. Also have option right here for the Hoover. Then we have the Shark as well. Then a few more fun items. We have a little ice maker, and then a few other items right here for different clearance and different deals going on. So again, if you are in the mood for one of these, you can always go back there and check. I've grabbed some great deals at my local Home Depot on some tool items. We even see this snake auger right here. You can grab one of those for the Ryobi brand. And then I really liked this bag right there. Again, another great pickup. Some great options right there. And then even some of these extension cords. Pretty good price. Probably should have grabbed that extension cord right there. Needed it for a few items. And then even some more Ryobi items you can see right here. Pretty good price. And just a reminder for today's sponsor, this is the Dovo laser level. So if you're interested in trying to win this, you can comment down below, Dovo giveaway. I also will have a link in the description for this. It does give you a little percentage off. So if you're interested in one of these, you can always purchase one yourself. This is a great option for any type of DIY project or workplace project that you might need a laser level. It's super heavy duty, really strong, multiple different features, multiple different great options. Has so many levels on it. You can do different ones, which is really nice. Has the top laser, side laser, and also this one right here. And so multiple different angles, multiple different setups. So if you need one of these, definitely recommend you check it out. But also comment down below so you have a chance to win our Dovo giveaway. Overall, I think there's some great deals going on right now at your local Home Depot. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, and if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.